Hello guys, welcome to my Adventech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch client to reconnect. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Valorant and the error you get on the screen is Valorant has encountered a connection error, please relaunch the client to reconnect. Then I'll show you a simple method to resolve this issue. First of all, you need to press Windows plus R. Here you have to type services.msc and hit enter. Here you need to find VGC. I have not installed the Valorant, so it's not showing here. Suppose if this is your VGC, just right click on that, click on properties. Here if it is selected as manual, you just need to select as automatic. After selecting automatic, just click on apply, and once you have to click on start, again to click on apply, then click OK. After that, just close this window, click on start menu, then type here msconfig. Click on system configuration. Here you have to click on services. You have to click on hide all Microsoft services. Here you have to find VGC. Here you have to find VGC, and you have to make sure that VGC is check marked. After checking VGC, just click on apply, then click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.